Good morning, friends, from... Weird. Anyway, good morning, friends, from Tuscany Suites in Las Vegas for Health, Healing, and Happiness. This is really weird. Health, Healing, and Happiness 2018. So, we've had 2 days of this. Today is the last day. The first day, Friday, was the welcome reception. That's pretty cool. That was basically, we got to meet some of the speakers and some of the other attendees and mingle and get to know each other and things like that. So that's pretty cool. And then yesterday was a bunch of keynote speakers, a bunch of really cool lectures. I got some really amazing notes that I probably won't read to you until after I get back home, but we shall see it. At some point, I just know that I will be, either now or later. And then today is going to be another round of very talented speakers with lots of wisdom. What else? Oh yeah, there's also a great expo hall here, or I think they call it a market or something like that. A bunch of tables set up, booths, vendors, and so on. Lots of networking, lots of people on their own personal paths of growth. And the people that are here are not people that live sort of lazy by default and just going with whichever way the wind blows. These are people that have a purpose. They're typically very mission-centric. So that one common thread is pretty cool, to be around people like that that have some sort of a mission that they wrap their goals around versus the other way around, and doing whatever it takes to make it happen. So it's a pretty, anytime you get together with people like this, it's a pretty awesome environment to be around, because most people are pretty freaking lazy and don't really have any ambition and just go with whatever they're told to do, and most people are obedient workers. Let's just keep it 100. So it's always cool to be around people like this, and I'm really looking forward to sharing what I've learned with you guys in the near future. So I got some really great notes, and thankfully for that, because I don't really retain too much. So I'm glad I can type fast. Holy shit. I guess to cap off this little video, I'll do a little panoramic shot here. It's a beautiful place. I've been here several times. Beautiful place, right? I'm up on the balcony, or is it a terrace? I don't know. It's both. It's a balcony and a terrace. It's just gorgeous here. Another day in paradise, right? Alright, so that's it. Another day of learning and networking with cool people that are doing something with their lives. So always a great environment to be around. And if you guys like money and you like health and you like being a free human being, then you may want to see what it is that I'm doing to make residual money and add health and wealth to people's lives, including my own, for over a decade now. Just private message me, I'll show you what I'm up to. Take care, everybody. Bye for now. Oh, last but not least, almost forgot. I did a couple of pretty cool interviews so far since I've been here. One with Jody Marie Josephine, who happens to be Miss Nevada. She's running for Miss USA. I interviewed her yesterday, and it was her idea. Actually, it wasn't an interview, it was a bouncing ideas back and forth kind of thing, a conversation. It was pretty cool. You guys should go check that out. It's basically on the concept of we need to stop stealing the earth from our children, in other words, future generations. And I also talked to another, not so much an interview, but just bouncing ideas back and forth with Jody Page. She's known as the raw vegan cheese queen of Las Vegas. I think she calls herself the vegan cheese chick or something like that. And that was a pretty funny conversation. A lot of sexual innuendos involved in it. It was good. So scroll back up in the news feed or the timeline or whatever they call it these days and look for those. They're pretty funny pieces. So take care, everybody. I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Mwah.